How to clear computer cache on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to delete all the cached files or the temporary files, here are few locations that you need to delete. For this, you have to first open or press Windows R to open the Run tab. After this, the first thing that you need to type is prefetch. Tap on it or type it on the Run tab and hit OK. Once this is done, tap on Continue. Select all by pressing Ctrl+A and then click Shift+Delete. This way, you will permanently delete all of these files. The next location that you need to check is the temporary files. Follow the same procedure, which is Windows+R and then the temporary files. Delete all of this by pressing Shift+Delete for the permanent deletion. Similarly, the other location is %temp%. To do this, you have to follow the similar step as before, which is Windows+R. For the last option, you have to open Clean MGR and hit the OK button. Once it is open, it will detect all the files that needs to be deleted from your Windows C. So you just have to select all of this and then tap on OK. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.